I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting to Developer Options quickly. Unlock the Vivo V29e and open Settings. If Developer Options aren't visible, go to About Phone and tap Build number 7 times. This unlocks Developer Mode. Once done, go back to Settings and locate Developer Options. It's where USB debugging lives. Do this now because skipping straight to USB controls saves time and ensures you're changing the right toggle instead of app-level permissions. You'll now find the USB debugging control within Developer Options under the Debugging section. Scroll carefully and inspect the USB debugging toggle so you know whether it's on or off. When you tap the toggle to disable it, the system may show a confirmation dialog explaining what stopping debugging does. Read it briefly and confirm. Disabling here cuts ADB access. This improves security and prevents unintended data access from connected computers. Finish by restarting the V29e to make sure the USB debugging change persists across system processes. If you notice the toggle re-enables later, check for device management, MDM profiles, or security apps that can programmatically turn debugging back on. Disable or update those apps. As a last resort, reset Developer Options to defaults from the top of that screen, then disable USB debugging again. This clears conflicting settings and restores the expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.